those frogging speeds, whatever, it's still massive. God, it was mind blowing. I just couldn't believe it. I've never seen it like that ever.
I don't know.
That was a pretty nice pumpkin fettuccine
I don't
last
know.
week.
I don't know, baby.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Whoa, surf's up. Look how far
Lots
the
of people
water's coming in this
surfing.
time. Total change from last week.
We were here last week and we're here again, and that's lots of people. Lots of people always, as always.
As always. I like sunset at Rainbow Beach.
Yeah.
Rainbow Bay, sorry. Not Rainbow Beach. Rainbow Beach is up in Queensland, up near Tin Can Bay. Rainbow Bay. Okay, I think a park is going to be a little bit more.
There's no park. May maliligo. Sa Tugnaw. Gikan doon na sila sa Alaska. Di from Alaska. Ligo ka more. Tugnaw kayo. Dahil dyan panit sila. Right panit. Dahil showering sa baba. Lalakad ako sa beach. Kasi mag-i-earthing ako. Dami pa rin tao, no? Kahit ano. Kung wala. No dogs beyond this point. Walang dog dito. Hindi pwede. Babayad ko. Uy, ano ba? Tadaan! Ganda.